Want to set up a server in just 1 minute? Let's dive right in with Express.js. First, we need to install Express. Just run npm install express in your terminal. Easy, right? Now, let's create a simple server. Start by requiring Express and creating an app instance. It's as simple as this: const express require express const app express. Next, we'll set up a route. Use app.get, butta, rec, race.send, hello, express.js. This tells our server to respond with a friendly message when someone visits the root URL. Finally, let's get our server running. Just add app.listen, 3000, console.log, server running on port 3000 feet. And there you have it. Your Express.js server is live and ready to go. Want to learn more? Just drop a comment.